after that they check manually your answers, and they verify those. After that they will give you the approval.
Yeah,
Okay.
Amazon affiliate is like a lot complicated. I did it like a few years ago. It's a lot
Yeah.
complicated.
So like you have to give a lot of information there, right, in the Amazon.
Yeah, it's
They
like I think I don't know, like it's a lot of questions, and you have to wait for them approval, and
Yeah, and also you have
tricky
to
part
wait
on
for the
Amazon
approval.
affiliate.
Like
Yeah,
it may take 1 month even also to
yeah,
get the approval. So yeah, that's the thing. Actually, there, if you go to the any other websites to get their affiliate program, you have to actually give fulfill their requirement. Some website, some company, they require from you that you have a good website, like you have your own website, and that website you can like um do your marketing. Okay, or you have your own channel. I mean, they just want to see you have a like some popularity or some members you have in your database or in your list, so that you can do marketing with them, and you can like, if you can sell their product. Okay. So our product is our course. These courses, these boot camps, these are our products. Okay. This is basically, this is you can say products, or can also say the service. Okay. Okay. So okay. So that's the plan. Now let me close this. Okay. So you guys started the Microsoft OneDrive. So let
yeah.
me go
It's not
there.
only OneDrive. We literally started like a bunch of application on Microsoft. We're just literally learning everything about how they works.
But did you guys go over the uh, Microsoft Azure DevOps?
Yeah, it's be Microsoft Azure DevOps. We did like um, I like three workshop earlier, two workshop earlier, I think. So
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was.
We did a show and tell on it.
Oh, that's
yeah,
good.
we did a show and tell. Yeah, you remember?
Okay, so let me log in with my Outlook account. Though I forgot maybe. Mm, okay, let me create one or check if I have. I supposed to have. I'm supposed to have an account. Let me see. By the which skin I have shared.
Was it Prabhubai?
Oh, okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Someone already has this email address. Try another name. Okay, so let me log in. Go back. Oh my god, I forgot my password. Yeah, it's worked. Okay. So stay sign in. Okay, so this is like, oh, it's showing me that you are almost out of free storage. Okay. Oh, I have so many in my pictures. Okay, it's like, I think it's synced up automatically. Anyway, okay. So this is like, if you use the Google Drive, so it's like another one. So I think you guys already know it is already have been discussed. So OneDrive, this is another platform, and it's developed by the Microsoft. This is their product, and by this also you can store your files, drives, sorry, not the drives, files, folders, and then also like, uh, you can create documentations, then presentations, Excel sheets. You can do create all of those also in the OneDrive. Okay, and obviously they give you they will give you the 5 GB is free, and like, if you are out of the storage, out of this free storage, you have to buy their subscription. Okay, and this is like 189. I'm not sure, is it showing? Yeah, it's showing taka, so 189 taka per month. As I'm using from Bangladesh, so it's that's why it's showing me BDT, but otherwise you will get the dollar here. So based on this amount, I think you will get $1.50 per month.
I did the yearly
Anyways,
subscription on my account.
okay, that's great.
Yeah,
So yeah,
99
it's
something. So
mm-hmm.
$99 something.
Okay, that's good. So yeah, it's really helpful because if you're in files and documents you store in the clouds, so you can get those files, folders from anywhere, right? Like if you are not in your machine, you are not in your local machine, you like visited somewhere, you visit somewhere, and then you want to access your files, so that you cannot access your local machine from there, right? So simply you can just sign in with your in your open drive, and then just download your files. Okay, yeah. So okay, so if you want to create, if you want to like create any documentation, so first of all we have to click on this new, and if you want to create a folder, just simply create on the folder and give the folder name. So the folder name is like okay, Agile PO files. Okay, so this is my folder, so I just open this folder. After that, just click on the new, then here click on the Word document. Okay, so it will open a doc file. Okay, so in this document file, we can like prepare a documentation, like if we have any assignment, or if we have anything to prepare into doc. Okay, we can do this from here. Okay, so here you can change the name of your documentation. So let's say um give the name of this documentation is like business requirement documentation, or BRD. Okay, just I'm giving you an example. Business requirements documentation. Okay, so this is the file name. Okay, so now let's say mm, let me see a sample of the BRD. Right, we have multiple BRD.